Warning Radar Network.
We've got a really nice evening coming up for North Alabama. Yeah, it's still warm. It's still hot out there here at 6 o'clock, but we still have that drier than normal air in place, and just a beautiful view looking off to the east from downtown Decatur. View brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. Just enough heat and instability to get a few of these little fair weather clouds to develop, but that's it. Not enough to get those into showers or storms here this evening. It's 92 degrees right now in Decatur, still warm, but that northeast wind, we're still on that cooler side of that front that came through a couple of days ago, and dew points are in the low 60s, and if you can get dew points in the low 60s in the middle of July in North Alabama, that's pretty comfortable. So we've had some drier air in place the last couple of days. Again, we're all dry right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. All the storms that we've seen so far today have been well off to the south, kind of closer to the Black Belt and to the south. Even those are now starting to quickly fall apart, so no big issues if you're traveling south here over the next few hours. Evening forecast still in the low 80s at 9 o'clock, but mostly clear skies, dry conditions, and falling to the upper 70s closer to midnight. And it's going to be a warm one tomorrow. We may even see highs touch the upper 90s and a 10% chance for a few pop-up showers and storms. By far the best chance is coming closer to Sand Mountain, just like what we saw earlier today. You're going to have to head closer to Jackson or DeKalb County to see anything. So look at the latest humidity trackers. Still have a lot of the browns in place. Again, that's that drier air that moved in behind Wednesday's cold front. All that moisture, the muggy air, it's still off to our south. But by Saturday is kind of the transition day. We're starting to see the browns move out. That's the dry air, and then the muggy conditions moving back in. But it's still not too bad. So we'll call it tolerable for the middle of July in North Alabama. Then we're starting to see the widespread greens, the darker greens. So we're getting a little bit more of that moisture by Sunday, and that's going to start to increase those rain chances. So Friday, 7 o'clock here this evening, it's about an hour from now, still tracking those dry conditions. We see a few passing clouds here in the overnight hours, and even passing clouds through your Saturday. But even with these clouds, we're getting enough sun that we're going to make it up to the mid to upper 90s. And there you go. There's a few pop-up showers closer to DeKalb County. That's it. Then we head to your Saturday evening, still tracking a few lingering showers, isolated storm closer to the Georgia state line. And then Sunday, even Sunday with a little bit more of that moisture in place, most of the storms are either off to our north or off to our east or off to our south. So we may have to wait until Monday before we start to see some of that much needed rainfall. And even here, look at the potential rainfall through Sunday evening at 10 o'clock, only a trace to a tenth of an inch showing up. Then by Monday into Tuesday, watch how the map fills in. A lot of rain coming in with that next system, and some areas closer to a quarter of an inch, but closer to an inch as you get into those blues on the map. So here's that next system coming in by Monday. Most areas should stay dry through the Monday morning commute. Better rain chances heading into the afternoon, but even that system dropping in from out of the northwest, it's starting to dissipate and fall apart. So we're not expecting severe weather, and it's even possible that you stay dry with that system on Monday. So that's why those chances are at about 60%. But the cloud cover and those increased rain chances will keep those highs in the upper 80s on Monday. That's the cool day. Then we quickly start to warm back up to 93 on Tuesday, mid 90s for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But again, another opportunity for rain as we wrap up next work week. And again, we're starting to see those drought conditions expand, so we need the rain.